Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
I invested £25,000. Today, that investment is worth £5 million.
Say hello to our hero, the Hydrogen Energy Release Optimizer. Limitless power, zero emissions.
Everybody, I'm with my friend John, and we are looking at Bitcoin Twitter. I'm recording this on Sunday. What day? Sunday, the 14th of May, at about 9:42 British Summer Time, which is 8:42 UTC. And we're just going to be looking through Bitcoin Twitter, and we're also going to talk a little bit about Pepe, how that's doing. So let's have a look at, actually, let's start by looking at the Bitcoin price, which is, we could have looked here on my BitGet chart. So I have a trade going. I am practicing trades, tiny little trades, just learning from the stuff that I've picked up over the years. And right now, this is
that's a monthly.
This is the monthly chart. So we're in a monthly uptrend, and we're looking on the daily chart. I placed a trade last week, and I am down on that trade, but I'm still going to let it ride because at some point it's going to turn. And it's 5x leverage, and I think I stand to lose maybe $10 if my trade isn't successful. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. And we do see we've consolidated here around about 26,800, and the bears have tried to push the price down, not been able to, and it's moved back up. So let's see if it carries on. It breaks through first this EMA, which is that's the 5-day. We really want it, well, to keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, and we shall see. Then looking through Bitcoin Twitter, and then I look on the photos to see what comes up. So Stock Money Lizards, I follow them. They do great charts and everything, and they're suggesting that we're in this pattern. We're looking at the 4-hourly, which is the Wyckoff pattern, and that we're in the accumulation phase. I don't know this pattern very well, so I can't talk about it much. And this one, I think, is the same pattern, and it's showing where the resistance is between about 29,000 to 31,000, as we had here back in 2022. So it was sideways movement, a lot of support here, and support becomes resistance, as is the case here. So we want to break through, and then we are into another leg of the bullish cycle. Crypto Lark, where do you think we are in this Bitcoin cycle? I think we're about here. And John, feel free to interrupt, right? Not disbelief, not falling for it this time. And one thing I'm going to say, I'm in the car, so I don't disturb people in the house this morning. And also, I took a bit of melatonin last night, and I'm a bit groggy, so I want daylight to chase the melatonin out of my bloodstream. This is also Stock Money Lizards. After this consolidation, 31K resistance will be approached next. So they see where we are now with the price dipping.
What's the time scale on this chart?
This is the 2-day chart, so it'll be the 48 hourly.
So what we're looking at, I don't know, is that about a month on the screen?
No, where does it go?
Do you know what I mean?
2018.
Far left? Oh, right, it's from
2018.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
And the Williams percent range indicator, which I'm not familiar with, is pointing upwards. They're saying, okay, well, we're going to likely to move upwards and test 31,000 again. Bitcoin bear market officially ended according to the MVRZ score, which I didn't know what it is. And it's here. It's the market cap of the dollar minus the realized cap divided by the standard deviation. Right. Well, I don't know what that means. But here's what I can see is that when the Bitcoin price has been in this green zone, that's been the bottom of previous bear markets. And we have now broken above that green zone. And actually, every single time, there was a fake out here, broke out, went back in again back in 2012. But here, once it broke out, it didn't go back. Once it broke out, it didn't go back. Here also, once it broke out, it didn't go back. And here, it has broken out, just dipped back in, and is broken out again. And it's created some distance as well. So that would suggest that we're going to carry on with the upward trend. Let's have a look here. And what's next? Lightning Network. Lovely picture of Bitcoin flower arrangement. The Bitcoin white paper spotted on the streets of Scotland. Wow. Someone's put this up.
Do you remember we found it on the Apple Mac?
Yes. And I've actually seen Bitcoin posters on an abandoned shop front in the town centre where I am. More than 60% of the Bitcoin supply hasn't moved from wallets for over a year. Strong hands. People not
Wow.
moving. So this is the price. I think the logarithmic price. Yep. And this is the percentage of Bitcoin, which is going up. And here the price was low, and the amount being held went up. And then it starts going up. Pepe, their airdrop is live and you don't want to miss it. This is a lie. Pepe aren't doing any airdrops. You'll see lots of this. And look at the dodgy website, pepes.gg. Probably need to give them my private key or something, and then I can claim more Pepe. Absolute con, because they're not real Pepe. Homer price. Another meme coin. And look at that percentage increase. This happened exactly to Bitcoin. I wonder what it will be 10 years from now. Bitcoin's grown up. Hodl. This is the chart that changes everything for Bitcoin. On-exchange balances have been only going down since March 2020. Demand has continued to rise. Supply from miners will be cut in half in less than a year. So the amount being held on exchanges has been going down, which again says something about the available supply for people to purchase. People are holding it, taking it off the exchanges.
Does it also say something about the security of keeping your Bitcoin on exchanges and moving it from exchanges to hardware wallets and things? Is that
that's pretty much always been the case? But I think this is more to do with bullish sentiment. People are accumulating and they're taking off exchanges because of what you said, right? But also there's no point keeping it there because they don't want to sell. They're not selling it. When they start moving it onto exchanges,
to sell and trade.
To sell and trade, right? So this is very, very bullish. So there's less available supply in the market. So the proportion of mined coins rises because they're the ones providing the liquidity. But in a year's time, the newly mined coins are going to halve. The new supply coming online is going to halve.
Be interesting to know, out of the 21 million, and I know they're not all mined yet, how many are essentially lost, for example, in hardware wallets that are now in landfill, and people have lost the keys and stuff. It'd be interesting to know the number.
Yes.
Because the 21 million is not actually going to be the ultimate number, is it?
No, it'll be much less. Dr. Profit, Bitcoin perfectly bounced 4% in our long region. So here, 4% up. And take profits at 26k from our 29.5k short. And Dr. Profit has gone long at 26k. Okay, well that looks promising for my trade. And I think we'll look at this one, then we'll look at Pepe. So the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. 4 things that set them apart. Bitcoin created by Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum created by Vitalik Buterin. 9th January 2008 it was released. This was released 30th July 2015. Only used as a currency. And this is used as a currency and to enable other applications. Fixed supply of 21 million. Unlimited supply. All right, well, let's have a look at Pepe. Now, I bought 288 million. 335, 584 Pepe for $100. That includes a $15 gas fee. That's now worth $560 it would be, except last week I sold $188 for $400. So now all I have is 100 million. So so I put in $100, I've taken out 400, and what's left is right now worth $194. And this now is free money.
Yep.
So you can see here, this looks like a double bottom, which would have been a good time to pick up if meme coins are your thing. And perhaps I could have picked up. I think I sold somewhere about here. I got a good price for it, right? But a little double bottom here should be in a good time to pick up. and off we go.
Hmm.
And I think this is also indicative of a change in sentiment for the Bitcoin price.
Yep.
Because people are okay. Here's the bottom. We're going to move. We're going to move in now to purchase some more and make some more silly gains.
Market cap rank of 57. That's quite high, given that it was only released, what, I don't know, a month ago or so.
We're listed on CoinGecko, 18th of April.
Yeah.
So now, one thing you can do with CoinGecko is have a look at. Where does it go to? The main one, cryptocurrencies. It has categories. So let's look at on the main page. Let's look at categories. Layer 1, which would be Ethereum and Atom and stuff. And let's keep going down.
There's the meme.
Here it is, number 7. I think it's by market cap. So these are the meme coins. And then you can see the ones that are trending. So Pepe is trending, which is very bullish for trending. Milady meme coin, what the hell is that? 53.6% last 24 hours. Largest gainers, Milady meme coin, Bobo, and Ducks. Let's have a look how well they did over the last 7 days. Wall Street Baby, Bob token, Chad token, these all went down. Which one was the best performer over the last 20 days? Sol Labrador. So this is a dog on Sol on the Solana blockchain. 583%. Okay. Now these are very, very risky plays. You may want to, if you're going to throw something in, throw in no more than you can afford to lose. It's always the case.
Look at the 24-hour volumes of those top ones. They're like $200-300.
Right. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So they could be very, very volatile. But the 24-hour volume for Pepe, 776 million, more than Dogecoin. That is also bullish, up 17% in the last 24 hours. Art Doge AI, Milady meme coin. Let's have a look at Milady meme coin. 251. There's Flocky at 110. But Wojak has dropped. I've been watching Wojak. Dropped 33%, but it's been up 21.5% in the last 24 hours. And this is what Wojak looks like if you don't know.
No idea.
Oh, it's another one of these memes. It's that sort of bleeding head. It's not showing up here. Here, let's go to the website. It's an Ethereum asset. Yes, API ID. Oh, there we go. There, can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Here's the This is the Wojak. What? No, that's the exchange. Buy here. Chart. This is what I want. The website. Here we go. Wojak news. Now this could approved by Peeps meme meter. Buy token. That's it. Not much on it. That's the whole website. Now this could be a rug pull. Any of these could be a rug pull. Pepe could be a rug pull where people put lots and lots of money in, and then off the original developers run, having made themselves multi-millionaires. But then it is fully decentralized, and people can still chase it should they wish to do so. Let's have a look at Milady meme coin. Yep, this is another asset on Ethereum blockchain. So we're looking at silly gas fees. Listed 9th of May. It's only a few days old. And it only took off on the 10th of May. Okay, $100 would buy you 811 million ladies. And the maximum supply, 888 billion. And that's also the circulating supply, so there's no more going to be coming out. Let's have a look at the...
So $100 would buy you 1% of the supply, I think. Is that right?
Milady knew this coin would come. Ladies may not be the meme coin Miladies want, but ladies is the meme coin Miladies need in these times of unbridled mimetic power. You like the art, we make the coin. Milady, select the token we would buy. So USDT. Now my wallet's not connected, so I can do this safely. It's connecting, it's getting the best price. And then one thing we have to check on Uniswap is actually have to check that it's the right contract. Always have to do that because there's nothing to stop somebody creating a dummy coin that looks like the actual meme coin. Can't get the contract there, but I can get the contract from CoinGecko. Here we go. And then if I purchase it within MetaMask, which I don't have on this browser, then I'm pretty certain that I'm going to be getting the right Milady coin. I just want to know what the gas fees might be. And but it's always useful to check, and you check by going to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and then having a look on Etherscan through the link there. So that is the token contract. That would be the right coin. To make sure I'm getting the right coin. There you go. Dex trades. Okay, I think that's enough. That's my lady's coin. If anybody wants to have a punt, I am not recommending either way. It's entirely up to you. That's it. John, listen, thank you so much for this morning's video on Bitcoin and Pepe and Milady's coin. And hope to do this again soon. All the best. Bye-bye.